The heck? Oh, I'm getting frustrated now. Okay. I usually get warned about tornadoes beforehand. I just, here's the thing, I could set up YouTube where it would not drop me from when I lose connection like that. But if I do, then I gotta drop Twitch and only stream to YouTube. And I'm weighing that because I don't get many viewers from Twitch anymore, but there are a couple of regulars, and I don't want to alienate them. Okay, so, and I always hate it because I'm here trying to figure things out and gets me off track. Although the indices are now totally kind of sideways. Totally kills momentum on the streams. Everyone leaves. And it's happened way too often lately. Like it's happened in the last. It's happened 3 times now in the last week. Y'all can hear me, right? So, short signal here, firing on ES again. Let's see what NQs might be trying as well. Let's see what we can do on ES. Find my ES chart. Okay, good. Thank you. Ace and divot. I never can tell what's going on. It's frustrating. If this ES short holds, I'm taking the short on ES. Does that make sense? I think so. Oh, Burrow, I'm going against you. Or maybe not. Signal went away. Yep. Burrow goes long and the market decides it wants to go with him. Oh, there's another short signal in ES. Six points down in ES. Okay, so if this holds again, we're going to try and go in down short. 10 seconds. Big candle, which kind of worries me a bit. We're in. See if we continue down. Bouncy. Don't like that bouncy. Nope, stop me out. Bounciness, stop me out. Nope. Took a $75 shave there, I think. Trying again, no. Darn it. I should have had a wider stop. Oh, it was the right thing. There's not enough stop for this time of day. This would have been a beautiful move, but I screwed it up. NQ also sending a short signal now. NQ's trying to give me a second chance. NQ, should I or shouldn't I? That is the question. See if it comes back down. See if it can break back below 236. That's where it hit twice there and rejected. So that's where we'll look for. I'm ready to rock and roll if it decides. Doesn't seem like it, but maybe. Nope. Doesn't seem like it, so we'll wait. Maybe now. So see, it waits until I take away the... So you're still... Wait a minute. You're long at 42.21? It's just not sure right now. Gold bleeding back down. Down to 94 again. Just kind of hanging here on NQ. Just consolidating here, which means it's probably going to burst down and catch me unawares. Back up to the SMA line. Kind of a weird range here. I mean, it keeps expanding slightly, but not like giving any long-term direction. ES, if I wouldn't have got stopped out there, would have been a great play. So once again, I was too risk adverse. Sideways with bigger candles. There's a move down. The low of this move over here is 236. We're sitting at 257. The short signal fired where I would have entered at 249. Kind of like where we're hanging at now. It's still not breaking below. Nor is it breaking bad. Nope, pop back up. 25-point candle. I guess we'll take that away. Okay, we'll go back to the regular screen. Nope, I've never watched it. I don't watch much TV. Heard it's a good show though. Popping up here. So again, no direction. Up, down, up, down, up. Just throw your ES in the air. Long signal here, but I'm afraid to take it. It's right at where we consolidated here and broke back down. ES is still below its SMA line, even though it's sending a long signal. Just looking, waiting. I mean, eventually this is going to give us a direction. Everyone here seems to think long. RJ thinks long, Burl thinks long. That's the long and short of it. Gold trying to pop up as well. I'm still having internet issues apparently, and I don't know why. Oh yeah, he's long too. Zor's long, everybody's long. Thank you, trying to pop up here, sending a long signal. See if it breaks 353 here, and if it does, then maybe I'll jump in with an attempt. Gold as well. And back down. Really a weird price action right now. Back down to the SMA line. Wow, so this is just staying within this. I mean, it's a kind of a big range, but still a range. Back to a short signal, but I'm not taking anything here at this point. You see the short signal failed there. It would have gave a little something there. It just, no decisions have been made into the direction that NQ wants to go. Bounce again off that SMA line for NQ. ES is just hanging on it. Like birds on a power line. Crude oil popping up to its SMA line there in about almost 30 ticks. Copper. Copper got really ugly there. Then finally went down, trying to pop up as well. We're a little over a week away from micro copper being issued. Just sitting on that SMA line. Sitting on the dock of the bay. Short signal there. I didn't take the short signal, obviously, because I can't tell what it really wants to do. As you can see it pop back up, pop back down. Everybody moves from side to side. I don't know. That didn't even come close to rhyming. Strange price action. Talk about a fight between bulls and bears. But this ox wants to get involved. 25-point candle there. Trying to get back above these resistance areas. 45, 53, and 66. 66 is the high of the day. It's getting a little bit of a head. Trying to get ahead of steam. I have a chart ready if it goes. But right back down. I swear, it sees me get a chart ready and it's like, oops, let's go the other way. Gold back down. I'm not sure what's going on with my internet, so I apologize that the stream quality might be down a little bit. Yeah, we lost some people when my internet cut out. Not sure where everyone else went. Back down. Crude oil. Continuing to come down. AQ looks like it wants to continue coming down. There's a second short signal. But I think I need to see it get past this consolidation area here first, at the very least, where it came down to 245. And then below that, we have the 236. So those are those two areas that I need to see. Yeah, I mean, I'm thinking the same thing, Burl, but trying not to be biased in the whole thing. Here we go. Here's another try up. They move up 36 points. Up to 351, broke this resistance here, and it broke 353 up to 366. Yep, there's 361. I'm going to take the long here. I think I got in late. We'll see. We're above the high of the day. There we go. Don't pull back on me. There we go. Come on. There we go. I'm out. I got out late. Only got a small win out of that. I got to start taking those wins. I'm thinking they're going to go further and they don't. Got another 100 out of that. So, but that should have been much more. But it is 3 in a row. Pulled back by 15 points there. Thank you, RJ. It's still heading up now. So, once I have more of a cushion again, I can try and survive those pullbacks. But, in it, in at 75, out at 78, so it wasn't even 100. I only got 3.5 points out of that. That's horrible. But 375, pull all the way down to 36. So it didn't even pull. If I just kept my stop where I originally was, stayed in, and now I've been up almost 25 points. So yeah, inching up a little bit is what I need to do, though. Good job, Burrow. Excellent. We just broke 400. This might be the long-term trend here, though. We'll see. Finally broke out of that big range. It's about the high of the day now. Could be that move that RJ was expecting. Now, the question is, why is this white line up here? What did I put that there for? Uh, hmm. Don't know. So, thus it goes away. So, since this long signal here, it's gone up. And just 80 points. I kind of want to enter a micro just to see if it does do that. I forgot to mute before I stretch, so that groan probably came across. I apologize. ES, since its last long signal, has gone up the 18 points. Gold still doing its up and down. little bit smoother than what NQ was doing earlier. So we're about 10:35 on the East Coast. Stream for another 20-25 minutes or so. Got some good wins today. Couple losses, couple wins. We're down on Apex, but we're up on the Gauntlet. Did not trade the TCP today. Still trying to figure out my best way to get out of that hole. I've been a nice signal there on the 30-minute. For that beautiful second signal there. Up 62 points on this 30-minute candle. The 30-minute candle is only 6 minutes old. Getting a long signal here on the hourly candle, but now it's starting to look like I might want to pull back. So we'll see. Just based on what I'm seeing. I wouldn't play that pullback there, but it's an interesting spot. Kind of consolidating here, right under 450. Yep, isn't that how it always is? That's how I felt on Friday. Friday, when I take a look at NQ, I took a, a huge loss. And in the morning, stopped trading, and then it does this the rest of the day. I mean, this was when I got off stream, and from the time I went off stream until the close, it dropped over 300 points. So that's a $6,000 move. Or if I was just using one micro, it's a $600 move. One micro. Yep. and it actually did that twice last week. If you look, this is again back to the, this was Friday. This moved down, and then look at here. Look, this is Thursday. From from this short signal here down 0.95 down to 667. So that's an $8,000 move drop. 400 points. So 2 straight days we had bleed outs all afternoon, late morning or all afternoon. I'm actually starting to think that the area around the open is the worst time to trade. Overnights seem to trend. It might be small trends, but they trend. You can see the trend. And then afternoons things seem to trend. Yep, straight down. So we did get a short signal there, but right into the SMA line. ES did the same thing, but broke that, and that was a 5-point candle after the break. Wow, that would have been nice. I wouldn't have taken that there because it goes against my plan, but it would have been nice. Gold popping up here with a 2-point candle, but it's also been up, down, up, down, up, down. Have a good day, Burl. See you tomorrow morning if you're around or over the Discord. Whoops. Okay, what did I just do? There we go. RJ, I don't have my own Discord. I hang out on the Earn to Trade Discord, which is open to anybody, any trader. Don't have to be a member of Earn to Trade or anything like that. And I'm actually a moderator there as well. So that's where I tend to hang out. If you want an invite, I can get the invite link here somewhere. I remember how to do it. Do, 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 do. No. Yeah, there we go. So a lot of good conversation there, you know, among traders, not just prop traders, but earn to trade. There you go. Definitely recommend it. It's good talk. A lot of, talk about trading. I think you did come down here and kind of bounced like I would expect it to right here off these bands that were uptrending. We'll continue to head back up. ES making that same move. A little bit bigger of a dip. That might have been that dip that Burrow was waiting for, but he left now, so he missed it. So about 10 minutes to go on the stream. Just kind of waiting to see. Now, NQ might continue to drop here. It's hanging under the SMA line. Big candles, though. Very big candles. 16, 21, 10. Got who bends those bands down. Seeming like maybe it wants now to get above, but still can't tell. It's trying here. Not sure I want to confident enough to take that long there. Even if it does, if the signal holds. We're back to one of those in-between times. I like that ace. Oop. Big candle down, 31 points. ES doing the same. So we've been up, down, slightly up, down pattern. We're back under 400. I didn't even realize that. So from this high over here at 66, it's dropped 70, over 70 points. That's a pretty significant move. Low of this move over here was 377. See if we break that. If it does, we might jump in. For one last trade of the day. There's 78, 77. There's the break. We're going to jump in here. See if I made a mistake or not. Ooh. There we go. Beautiful move down. There we go. That's beautiful. Cutting it there. That's what I've been waiting for. That makes me feel so much better. We're up $605 on the Gauntlet account now today. That was probably going to go more, but we got 19 points off of that. So it's a $380 trade. I'm feeling much better now. I still need to, thank you, Ace. I still need to figure out how to rescue the TCP, the funded account. But this was a great day for the Gauntlet account. So Much better day than the last couple. Still a ways to go, but we're going to get there. It's consolidating here, maybe for another leg down, but we're not gonna test our chances here. Gold's trying to pop back up again. Crude oil. ES sent a short signal right at that same time. I was taking those that NQ short. It dropped down. If I would have jumped in there, would have dropped down 5.5 points. That was about a $250 move. I mean, a little bit less than what I got in NQ. It's slowly continuing to grind down, but I'm happy with what I got. So I would still be a nervous wreck through all this, trying to figure out when to get out. And on that note, folks, I think we're going to close it up for the day. I do want to thank everybody for joining me. Remember, I'm back here tomorrow and every morning at 7:30 Eastern Time for more great trading action. We'll see about starting some evening streams again next week here on YouTube and Twitch. I will hope you have a great rest of your day, and I thank you for joining me, and I will talk to you all later. Bye, everybody. Stuff. I hope you enjoyed today's live stream.
Share vision.
If you did, I'll love if you hit the thumbs up button. Remember, we do stream every morning on YouTube and Twitch from 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and every evening on Share Vision from 7:45 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. and every Friday from 2 to 4 p.m. Also, I'd love to have you follow me on social media. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram at MightyOxTrading, and Reddit at r/oxmarkettrading. Have a great day.